Good day, grade 11s. My name is Patience Ngobeni, and I will be taking you today's lesson, which is called Quality Control. Now, in this lesson, we are going to be focusing on the practice as well as the application questions. Now, let's get straight to our first question. The question says, explain the differences between quality control and quality assurance. Now, as you can see, I have used a table so that my differences are clear. The first one, quality control, is the inspection of the final product to ensure that it meets the required standards. Now, with this will mean that once a product is manufactured, then the business needs to come back and then check if this product has met the necessary standards that they have set for the product. So in other words, if they want the product to be able to sing for you, then they will then come and check, does this product sing for our customers when they use it? Quality assurance, on the other hand, is when inspection is carried out during as well as after the production process to ensure that the quality is met at every stage. Now remember that with quality control, we are only looking at the final product. Whereas with assurance, we are going to check while it's being manufactured as well as after it has been manufactured. So we want to make sure that at every stage that it was produced, quality was maintained. Quality control checks the raw materials, the employees, and the machinery to ensure that the high standards are maintained. So in order for us to have a quality product, we need to have quality materials, and we need to have employees that are well trained to produce quality products. Now, this is the job of quality control. They will check the raw materials, the employees, the machinery, and then allow production to happen and then come back and inspect the final product. Quality assurance checks that every process is aimed at getting the product right the first time. So this enables businesses to prevent mistakes from happening. If I am inspecting the product during the production process, I am able to detect mistakes earlier. Then this makes me to be able to fix the problem while it's still happening, so that I am not going to have a defective product or a product that is not working after it has been manufactured. So then maybe when you have went to a particular shop and you bought that iron or you bought that washing machine and it was not working, it's as a result that quality assurance was not done properly. Because if it was, we were going to detect that there is a problem with this machine before it goes to the customer. Let's then look at our second practice question, which says, elaborate on the meaning of total quality management. Remember again, grade 11s, that when the question is asking you to elaborate, you must give a detailed explanation of what you are saying. Now, TQM is defined as an integrated system or a methodology that is applied throughout the organization to design, produce, and provide quality products and services to customers. Now, remember that with quality control and quality assurance, we are looking at how the product is manufactured to make sure that it's of quality. So with TQM, we look at the service as a whole to see if it has met the required standard. So when they are saying that it's an integrated system, it means that there are different parts that are combined together, that are working together to make sure that there is quality that has been maintained in the workplace. It involves every part of the business and quality is every employee's responsibility. So if I work at a restaurant, then it means that each and every employee in that restaurant has their own responsibility in making sure that there is quality. When I enter that restaurant, there must be at least nice music that is playing. The environment must be clean. The food must be great. And the waiter must also offer quality service. Now, if one of those things do not happen accordingly, then it will mean that TQM was not achieved, which is why they are saying that TQM is everyone's responsibility in ensuring that quality has been achieved. Management also ensures that each employee is responsible for the quality of his or her work. So if I enter that restaurant and I found out that the plate is dirty, then it means that management will know exactly who to go to, because it means that that person did not do their part in ensuring that there is quality. Let's then look at our third question. It says, discuss the role of the International Organization for Standardization, or in abbreviation, the ISO. Now, when we are looking at the role, we are simply looking at what is it that this business does to make sure that there are certain standards that have been maintained. It says there, it sets out the procedures that a business should follow to ensure that its final product meet its own promises and its customers' expectation, and that quality improves over time. So in simple terms, the ISO is there to set certain standards that need to be met by businesses. So businesses will look at these rules, or they will look at the checklist that was created by the ISO, and follow it to make sure that they are producing products or services that are of high quality and meet standards that are of an international level. So it means that my product, when it's produced in South Africa, must be of quality even when it goes to another country. It also ensures that industries can measure their own quality management system against these international standards. So in simple terms, the product must be able to compete globally, because it's also going to be of quality when it reaches other countries. The ISO provides accreditation, which acts as a signal to customers that the business takes its quality commitments seriously and continually strives to improve its operations. So in simple terms, you will see certain products that are produced, and then they have a certain logo that is written ISO. Then it means that these different products have met the right quality standards. So when, as a customer, I look at such a product, I am sure to say that this product is of high quality and I am consuming a product that is meeting international standards. Now, grade 11s, I want you to think about certain products that you have seen that have a logo that is written ISO approved. While you are thinking about those businesses, we are going to head to an ad break.